My name is Melissa Semensky. I'm a volunteer here at the Massachusetts Bay chapter of the American Red Cross. I'm here today to tell you about our standard Red Cross cleanup kit, which we plan on distributing to the people affected here in Massachusetts from the recent floods. Our standard cleanup kit includes a bucket, cleaning supplies, various mop head attachments, and brooms to help you clean up your home after the flood. We'll also be including a flyer with information on how to be safe when you clean up your home. For more information or to view the flyer on our website, you can reach us at redcross.org, and we thank you for your support.